This 2025 American Coach American Dream 42Q is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new American coach is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2025 American Coach American Dream 42Q is built on a Freightliner XCM chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.